Alrighty guys, welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about what $1 a day invested with M1 Finance looks like. We're going to be talking about how much money I made off just investing $1 per day. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, concerns, ask them down below. So guys, to jump into it, roll that intro, come on. Now, before we talk about how much money I made, first let's talk about what is M1 Finance. Now, for those of you that don't know what M1 Finance is an online stockbroker that pretty much allows you to buy and sell different stocks and ETFs. Personally, the reason why I love M1 Finance is because it's great for long-term dividend investing. It offers something called pie investing, which is a way that you can invest in several different companies and ETFs, but not individually buying each one. Now, an example would be if you had $10 to invest, instead of finding a stock that's $10, you could possibly invest $1 in 10 different stocks. And if you guys are interested, make sure you guys click that link down below. Now, obviously, with M1 Finance, there is gonna be drawbacks. M1 Finance is not great for trading, swing trading, day trading. This is more of a long-term retirement account or long-term investment account. But with that being said, now let's talk about how much money I made off investing $1 per day. So now as we load up M1 Finance, you will notice that I've invested around $159 and I'm actually down about 7%. Now the reason why I'm down is just because the general market is down, right? Over the past year, we've seen a lot of volatility from just the general market, and I'm kind of not doing so hot because of that. But for me, that just looks like a huge opportunity to just keep investing. And with that being said, this is not my only investment account. This is just one that I wanted to challenge myself to invest $1 a day. Now, the first stock that I own is Adobe. The reason why is because I use their product and I love their software. We do have Microsoft, Google, Apple, Costco, Nvidia, we have Visa, obviously the S&P 500, we have Palantir, Home Depot, and Tesla. Now, the reason I love M1 Finance is because I can just invest, right? I can pick a pool of stock that I want to buy and invest. So looking at it more in depth, you guys will notice my total gain is actually down about $8.66, but I've actually earned about 11 cents in dividends, so my total return is down 7%. Now, is this something to be worried about? Absolutely not, right? If we look at our long-term outlook, we have high growth stocks that I personally think carry a ton of potential. So personally, I definitely think that everybody can afford $1 per day. I feel like we all have some sort of vice, whether it's eating out, whether it's buying coffees, whether it's buying energy drinks. Now, I think we all can afford that minimum of $1 per day. That's $30 a month. And over the course of the long term, right? If you guys just do that for 40 years and you invest only in the S&P 500 that gets a 10% return, this is how much money you're gonna get. And that's only $1 per day. So as long as you guys have a long-term outlook, that $1 per day might not seem like enough or a lot, but if you invest for the long-term, consistency is the best thing, right? Everybody likes to say, well, I'm trying to time the market. Well, time in the market is better than trying to time the market, guys. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is a fun video. This is a fun challenge that I am doing to myself to see if we can hit maybe like $10,000, $20,000, you know, maybe in the next couple of years. So guys, that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.